Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Rhino. Please subscribe to Quiz Rhino. Let's start. Let's dive into the game. Let's play. Choose your favorite gift, pink, black, or blue. Choose one gift. Hope you are picking the good one. Choose one gift. Hope you are picking the good one. Choose your smartphone. Which color do you like the best? Unwrap or surprise now and see what you got. Choose her birthday cake. Choose her traveling bus. Do you think you will choose the pink gift box this time? Who is ready for another gift? Pink, blue, or black? Be careful with her choice. Trust me and choose the pink color. What's your favorite color? Choose one gift. And check her luck. Choose her car. Pick the gift that you like the best. Carefully choose the beautiful flower. Left, middle, or right? You are doing awesome. I think I will choose the gold gift box. What about you? Choose her apple. Choose, choose, choose. Next, choose one. What do you think about choosing the blue teddy bear? Are excited to choose the next gift? Choose her bike. Will luck be your side this time? What about now? Keep it up. Choose one gift box.